What's up guys, my name is Seth, you're watching Petrol 360, and today we're going to pre-assemble our motorized bike. So what do I mean by pre-assemble the bike? So we're going to be doing like hand controls and grip and throttle and clutch line. We're going to be doing spark plug and spark plug wire, get the coil wired up. We're also going to be doing fuel lines and the clutch line and all the kind of stuff, so we can literally jump on the bike and ride it. So, you know, we can make little clamps to run the lines to keep everything clean, so if we need to weld anymore, we can go ahead and get ready for that. And once we kind of finish that, we have a 100% ready to go bike, we can tear it down and I can go ahead and get everything painted and age it, so we're ready to go. So I think first things first is we're going to put on the hand grips, so let's go from there. Alright, just like that, we've already run into our first issue. This is the on-off switch. This is also the throttle. Twist off here. To locate this, they put a pin here inside, and that keeps this from spinning whenever you're twisting the throttle. I'm not in love with this one, obviously, so I don't want to put a hole in our handlebars to make this one fit when I'm probably going to end up with something else later. So gonna jump on Amazon, see what else I can find, and for now we might see if we can just get rid of this pin so we can go ahead and install it and just let it clamp. So yeah, there we go. Okay, fuel line is installed. I went ahead and used the supplied fuel line and fuel filter. Since this is a new tank, I'm going to use this for a little while, but eventually I like to use copper and do a loop-de-loop and then back into the carburetor. That looks obviously much cooler. Oh, and another thing, I found the puller that you need to get the crank off in the kit. So that sucks. Just FYI, you don't have to order it, you've already got it.
I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways. Sad to see you go. Was sort of hoping that you'd stay. Baby, we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day.
switch being the throttle. Just didn't want to use that throttle, just didn't fit the bike and didn't want to punch a hole through the handlebars. And second off was the chain. If you saw, the chain was about, I don't know, 6 inches too short or so. So when I built it, we obviously extended the frame, moved the motor forward, so we're gonna need to get a longer chain, and especially to use with the stock tensioner and clear the frame and everything. So I'm gonna go order both of those things online. I've also looked at a new clutch lever, just because this one, you know, obviously doesn't look old. I wanna get one that hooks on the end, but I was test riding the bike and I saw that it has a stay, so you can engage the clutch and walk away from the bike, and that's actually super nice. So not 100% sure what I'm going to do there. I can always change it up later on, that's easy. From there, we're going to wait until we get our chain, make sure that's mocked up, ride the bike, make sure everything's happy. I'm not actually going to start the motor up until I get the entire thing going, so I can show you guys, and we're not going to show you this bike until it's completely painted and more or less finished. That's when you guys are going to get to see it again. So from here, I'm going to order those parts, start stripping the frame and the bike all down. We're going to prep the stuff for paint, go ahead and paint, and add any graphics we might add. I'm also going to run through this gas tank one more time and check it with air pressure. Then we're going to put gas in it, check and see it for leaks, and then we're going to go ahead and paint it, because I just want to make sure this thing has no chance of leaking before we do it, because I don't trust myself well enough yet. But thanks for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoy it. Make sure to tune in for the next one. The next one's going to be the big finale. We're going to see the bike finished. I'm very, very excited that we made it to this point. I'm very ready to see the bike go together. Seeing it with all of this is super awesome. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. If you don't already, follow us on social media at Petrol 360, and you'll have already seen this bike a while back and seen the progress it's gone through and the stages it's gone through. And you'll have already seen our next project come up on our Instagram page, so make sure to look us up on there, and thanks for watching.
Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see